Alex says, doing okay, trying to learn Morse code at the moment. Okay, I don't know Morse code, but shall we give Alex a test? Alex is trying to learn Morse code, so I'll do some beeps and bobs. That's where dashes and dots or beeps mean something. Alex, this is a test. What did that mean? If anyone knows Morse code, let us know. I'll try another one. How dare you speak my mother like that? That was just a box of dots, Matt. Wait, what's the difference between a dots and dash? Dots are short and dashes are long. Morse code almost turned into Samsung Maduru. Please don't try Morse code again. Well, I am sorry to say, but it is now a channel points request. David Shirt has redeemed Morse code. If you want to leave me a request, I'll do it. A dash is between 3 dots and a gap between the signs and the letters. Oh, blah, blah, blah. That's how you actually do it. I will mute you, Matt. You keep on putting it down. People redeemed it. I can't not give the people what they want. I won't do it anymore, okay? I promise not to do it anymore. I'll shut the fuck. There we go.